In this video, I will show you how to create better version of the crop effect. First, let's start by going to Effect and search for Circle. Apply it to your video. Next, we need to adjust settings in the effect control. Change the blending mode from None to Stencil Alpha and modify the radius. Move the circle to the desired position on your video. Then go back to the effect panel and search for the paint bucket. Drag and drop it on the video. It may look a bit messy at this point, but don't worry. In the effects control, change the settings to alpha channel and choose stroke. Change the color and increase the stroke size to make it more visible. Now, to give it a professional touch, let's add a drop shadow. Go to the effects panel and select the drop shadow effect. Simply modify these settings: opacity, distance, and softness to achieve the desired look. And that's it. Now you have a cool crop effect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.